In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook author tag in WordPress. By the end, your posts will correctly credit you on Facebook with a proper author tag, which helps with trust, visibility, and consistent branding whenever your articles are shared. First, open your browser and go to WordPress.com. Then head to the Sites section and select the site you want to work on. From your dashboard, navigate to the Plugins area. On the Plugins page, find and open Yoast SEO Premium. You'll see its details page, which explains what the plugin does for optimization and site structure. Click Get Started to begin the setup. You'll be prompted to connect the plugin to a site domain. If you need a new domain, use the Search Domains option. If your site already has a domain, choose the Already Have a Domain option so you can continue without changes. When you've made your selection, click Continue and follow the prompts until the plugin is added to your site. Once Yoast SEO Premium is installed and active, return to your WordPress dashboard. Now we'll add the Facebook profile that powers the author tag. Go to Users and open your profile. Scroll down until you find the field labeled Facebook Profile URL. Paste your personal Facebook profile link here. This is important. For the author tag to work as intended, use your individual Facebook profile URL, not a Facebook page. The author tag is designed to identify a person, so linking to your personal profile ensures Facebook can attribute your content correctly. Double-check that the URL is complete, starting with HTTPS and pointing directly to your profile. If you manage a multi-author site, each author should repeat this step in their own profile so posts are properly attributed site-wide. When everything looks good, click Update User to save your changes. That's all you need to do. With Yoast SEO Premium active and your Facebook profile URL saved in your user settings, WordPress will automatically include the Facebook author meta on posts you author. This helps Facebook recognize you as the content creator when your articles are shared, improving how your name and profile are referenced. Quick recap before we wrap up. Open your site on WordPress.com, add Yoast